I'm Dusty Bowling, author of Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus, and your awesome principal has asked me to make a video for you, sharing with you something that I maybe haven't shared with anyone before, which is really hard because I've done a lot of school and Skype visits and I've been asked hundreds of different questions. But one thing I don't think I've ever shared with anyone is that this book is incredibly special to me. It is a complete reflection of my life and my heart and the things that I love, from Avon, who was inspired by my cousin who served in the war in Iraq and lost his arm before passing away, to Connor, who is inspired by my husband and two daughters who have tic disorders, and even Zion, who was inspired by a little boy that I knew when I was in elementary school who was bullied because of his weight, and Stagecoach Pass, which was inspired by a theme park that I loved when I was a little kid and was just one of my favorite places, and has closed down and is now a strip mall, which stinks really badly. And even the name of Stagecoach Pass, which I took from a street that I lived on when I was in elementary school. And then there's all the little details like the coleslaw incident, which really happened at the theme park that I based Stagecoach Pass on, and the Hershey's Kiss incident that happened to somebody I know who may or may not be my husband, and it happened to him as like a grown-up, like not that long ago. And the character of Josephine, who was inspired by my husband's grandmother, who worked as a food server at the theme park that I based Stagecoach Pass on. So every single thing in this book is just really, really special to me, and really is a reflection of my life. And I've never put so much into a story before that I cared so much about. It's really special to me, and I'm just really glad that you're reading it, and I hope that it's special to you too. So thank you so much.